Mark has played with many, many people on many, many great albums, and this is definitely one. And if you've heard this song, then you've heard Mark. Mark put together again the horns on this one and played saxophone. Neil, come on. Come and help us with this, will you?